Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Let's practice 25 common house chores in English together. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along. Let's get started. I put on gloves. I put on gloves. I put on gloves. I open the windows. I open the windows. I tidy up the room. I tidy up the room. I pick up the toys. I pick up the toys. I pick up the toys. I make the bed. I make the bed. I dust the shelves. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I use a dustpan. I use a dustpan. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I clean the windows. I clean the windows. I clean the windows. I scrub the sink. I scrub the sink. I disinfect the counter. I disinfect the counter. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. I scrub the toilet. I scrub the toilet. I clean the shower. I clean the shower. I clean the shower. I wash the clothes. I wash the clothes. I hang the laundry. I hang the laundry. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I iron the shirt. I iron the shirt. I change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I finish the housework. I finish the housework. Great job! We're all done. Practice every day to remember these chores. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.